Welcome to the vibrant history of Italy. Our journey begins with ancient Rome, which transformed from a small village into a mighty empire, shaping law and architecture for centuries to come. After the fall of Rome, Italy entered the Middle Ages, marked by fragmentation into various kingdoms and city-states, while the Catholic Church rose to prominence. Fast forward to the 14th century, where the Renaissance sparked a cultural rebirth, celebrating art and humanism, with cities like Florence and Venice leading the charge. In the 19th century, the Risorgimento united Italy, culminating in 1861 with the efforts of great figures like Giuseppe Garibaldi and Count Camillo di Cavour. The 20th century brought its own challenges as Italy faced the turmoil of both world wars, leading to the rise of Mussolini and fascism before emerging as a republic in 1946. Today, Italy thrives as a cultural powerhouse, renowned for its art, fashion, and cuisine. Join us as we delve into the ultimate expressions of Italian heritage. Italy's top 10 tourist attractions and their delicacies. Colosseum, Rome. 1. The Colosseum, an architectural marvel and symbol of ancient Rome, has stood for nearly 2,000 years. It was the largest amphitheater of its time, capable of seating around 50,000 spectators who gathered to witness gladiatorial contests, animal hunts, and dramatic reenactments of famous battles. 4. Today, it remains one of the most visited monuments in the world, drawing millions of tourists each year who marvel at its grandeur and history. After exploring this historic site, indulge in pizza napoletana. 7. This traditional Neapolitan pizza is famous for its soft, chewy crust and is topped with San Marzano tomatoes, fresh mozzarella di bufala, fragrant basil, and a drizzle of high-quality olive oil. Each bite delivers the essence of Italy, making it a must-try dish that embodies the spirit of Neapolitan culinary art. Venice canals. 1. Venice, often referred to as the City of Canals, is a unique destination characterized by its intricate network of waterways, charming bridges, and stunning architecture. 3. A gondola ride through these iconic canals provides a romantic perspective of the city, allowing visitors to soak in its beauty and history. 5. While wandering through its narrow streets, be sure to sample sarda in saor, a traditional Venetian dish made from marinated sardines. 7. The sardines are typically prepared with sautéed onions, pine nuts, and raisins, creating a delightful balance of sweet and savory flavors. 9. This dish reflects the rich maritime heritage of Venice and is often enjoyed as an appetizer, providing a taste of the region's fishing culture. Leaning Tower of Pisa. 1. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is one of the most recognized landmarks in Italy, famed for its unintended tilt due to unstable foundation soil. 3. This architectural wonder is part of the Piazza dei Miracoli, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that includes the beautiful Pisa Cathedral and Baptistery. 1. Visitors often climb the tower for breathtaking views of the surrounding area, capturing the essence of this historic city. While in Pisa, don't miss out on tasting pici cacio e pepe. 1. This simple yet delicious dish features thick, hand-rolled pasta tossed with pecorino romano cheese and freshly cracked black pepper. 3. Its rich, creamy texture and bold flavors highlight the beauty of Tuscan cuisine, making it a comforting favorite among locals and tourists alike. Florence Duomo. 1. The Florence Duomo, or Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, is a breathtaking example of Gothic architecture and a defining symbol of the city. 4. Its magnificent dome, designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, dominates the skyline and offers panoramic views of Florence when climbed. 6. Inside, the stunning frescoes and intricate details are a feast for the eyes. After your visit, treat yourself to bistecca alla Fiorentina, a Florentine specialty made with thick cuts of Chianina beef. 8. Grilled to perfection over an open flame, this steak is typically served rare, seasoned simply with salt and pepper. The dish embodies the essence of Tuscan cuisine, showcasing the region's dedication to high-quality ingredients and traditional cooking methods. Vatican City. 2. Vatican City, the spiritual heart of Catholicism, is the smallest independent state in the world and a treasure trove of art and history. Home to the Pope, the Vatican features iconic sites such as St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's stunning frescoes adorn the ceiling. 4. Visitors often find themselves moved by the profound beauty and significance of this sacred space. After exploring, enjoy saltimbocca alla romana, a classic Roman dish made with tender veal, prosciutto, and fresh sage. 6. Cooked in white wine, this savory dish is typically served with vegetables or potatoes, and it exemplifies the rich culinary traditions of the region, bringing together simple ingredients for a flavorful experience. Cinque Terre. 1. The Cinque Terre is a breathtaking coastal region comprised of 5 picturesque villages: Monterosso, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore. Known for their colorful cliffside houses and stunning views of the Ligurian Sea, these towns are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a haven for hikers and nature lovers. 3. The walking trails between the villages offer incredible scenery and a chance to experience the local culture. While visiting, don't forget to try pesto alla genovese, a vibrant basil pesto that originates from this region. 5. Made from fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and olive oil, it's often served with pasta, providing a delicious and aromatic experience that perfectly captures the essence of Ligurian cuisine. Pompeii. 1. The ancient city of Pompeii, buried under volcanic ash from the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, offers a unique glimpse into Roman life. 3. Visitors can wander through the remarkably preserved ruins, exploring homes, public baths, and theaters that provide insight into daily life during the Roman Empire. 5. The site is both haunting and fascinating, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts. While in Pompeii, be sure to enjoy pizza napoletana once again. This iconic dish, characterized by its soft, flavorful crust and fresh toppings, is a testament to the culinary legacy of Naples and is celebrated for its simplicity and quality. Amalfi Coast. 1. The Amalfi Coast is famous for its stunning landscapes, steep cliffs, and charming seaside towns like Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. 3. The breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea, combined with the vibrant colors of the towns, create a picturesque setting that captivates visitors. The region is also known for its rich culinary traditions. 5. While exploring the coast, indulge in delizia al limone, a delectable lemon-infused dessert that reflects the area's abundance of lemons. Often served as a sponge cake or pastry filled with creamy lemon filling, this sweet treat is a delightful way to experience the local flavors and the coastal lifestyle. Lake Como. 1. Lake Como is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, luxurious villas, and charming lakeside towns. Nestled against the backdrop of the Alps, it's a favorite retreat for celebrities and travelers seeking tranquility. 3. Visitors can enjoy boat rides on the lake and explore picturesque towns like Bellagio and Varenna. While enjoying the scenic views, try misoltini, a local delicacy made from sun-dried fish, often grilled and served with polenta. 5. This dish highlights the region's fishing traditions and the rich flavors of the lake, providing a taste of local culture that complements the breathtaking surroundings. Capri. 1. Capri is an enchanting island known for its dramatic cliffs, stunning views, and upscale shopping. Visitors flock to see the famous Blue Grotto, a sea cave illuminated by vibrant blue light, and the iconic Faraglioni rock formations. 3. The island's vibrant atmosphere and breathtaking landscapes make it a must-visit destination. While exploring Capri, don't miss Insalata Caprese, a fresh salad made with ripe tomatoes, mozzarella di bufala, basil, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. 6. This simple yet flavorful dish emphasizes the quality of local ingredients and embodies the spirit of Italian cuisine, making it a refreshing choice while soaking in the sun and sea breezes. Each of these attractions not only offers stunning sights and rich history, but also presents a unique culinary experience that reflects the diverse regional flavors of Italy. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, admiring breathtaking landscapes, or savoring exquisite dishes, Italy promises a journey filled with unforgettable moments and tastes. Enjoy your travels and the delightful culinary adventures that await. See you next destination.